Yes. Like, who's that?
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Do you guys see this though? Do you guys see this though? So today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on how I got this long extended ponytail braid. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this to look, continue watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that post notification bell so you guys know every time I upload a new video. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna start off by combing my hair up into a ponytail, making sure everything is smooth. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take these elastic bands and just tie my hair up. And once my hair is tied up, I'm just going to put my ends away with this claw clip. And I always make sure I comb out my baby hairs before I start slicking my hair into a ponytail, just to make things easier. I'm going in with this Ampro style gel just to slick my hair up. And once the gel is all around everywhere, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my comb and just comb through it, making sure it's all slick. And once that's done, I'm just gonna pull out my ponytail and gather everything back together, just so that it's really smooth. So now I'm just gonna go in with these black strips just to keep my hair down while I braid my ponytail so that everything that is gelled up does not get messed up. So here is the braiding hair that I'm using. It is Expressions, but they broke it into 4 pieces. I do recommend using pre-stretched hair. If you can find pre-stretched long hair, that would be amazing, but I couldn't find that, so I'm just using the pieces. So as you can see, I split the hair up into 2, and now I'm just going back because I'm gonna take one piece and attach it to my ponytail. So I'm just tying the rubber band back like how it was when I first opened it. And I'm going to use this rubber band to tie around my ponytail. So once it's secured, I'm just gonna take a small piece and I'm gonna use this small piece to wrap around the top portion of my hair at the end of the video. So I'm just gonna secure it with a clip for now, just to keep it out of my way. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Shine and Jam, and I'm gonna spread that all throughout my natural hair, just so that it blends in better and it sticks together with the braiding hair when I'm ready to braid. So as you can see, I'm splitting my hair up into 3 because you need 3 pieces in order to braid your hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and split the braiding hair into 2. So one piece of my hair, which is the middle piece, is gonna be on its own. Then I'm gonna add the braiding hair with my natural hair on both ends. As you can see, I'm trying to use the braiding hair to cover up my natural hair. And I'm just going to start braiding. You want to make sure that your braid is tight at all times. And here I'm just adding in a piece of braiding hair to keep the consistency of the braid being thick and natural. So you want to make sure that the pieces that you're adding in are even pieces and they're not too big. You do not want to add really big pieces because you want the braid to look natural. So every time I felt like my braid was becoming thin, I just added a piece of braiding hair. And this is why I said, again, if you can find pre-stretched hair that is already long, it will make life much easier because you wouldn't have to continue adding in pieces. So right now I'm just adding in pieces just to make my braid longer. So with this packaged hair, I split each pack of braid into 3 and continuously added it into the braid. So as you can see, I'm taking this piece that I had left from the beginning and I'm just going in with some gel and combing it out and using this piece to wrap around my band. So make sure that it is nice and smooth. That's why I'm using my tail comb. And just continuously wrap it until it reaches the end. And if you need to apply more gel, you can as well. So after I remove these black strips, I'm just gonna go in with my ebon edge control and do my edges. So as you can see, my edges are done and I'm just going in with my flat iron and I am straightening my sideburns. So this is the look, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something from it. Yeah, if there's something you guys would have done differently, leave it in the comments. Let me know. This is like my second time trying it, so I decided to record it. But yeah, let me know. Give me some feedback. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media. That's Instagram and Snapchat, really, at Nae.Simone. Yeah, I'll be back with another one.